Hi there, welcome to Brain Equation. Today I want to show you how to solve this question, which is square root x and square root x and square root x. It is equal to 128. We need to find out value of x. So first of all, I will use two methods to solve this question. So in the first method, you can see that here x is under 1 square root. And we can write here square root x times here x is under 2 square root. So times square root x, 2 square root x. So times here x is under 3 square root. So we will write times square root x, square root, 3 square root. So is equal to 128. 128. So in the next step, we will write the power of the square root, x power 1 over 2. We know the power of square root is 1 over 2. Here we have two powers. So x power 1 over 2, again power 1 over 2 for the second square root, and times here we have 3 square roots. So we will write 3 powers, x power 1 over 2, again power 1 over 2 and power 1 over 2 is equal to 128. So in the next step, we will multiply these powers. Here we have x power 1 over 2 times, here we have two powers, 1 over 4, x power 1 over 4 times, here we have 3 powers, so we will have x power 1 over 8 is equal to 128. So in the next step, we know that a very well-known property of exponent, that if we have a power m, times a power n is equal to, we can add their powers, a power m plus n. We are going to use the same property here in our next step. So we can add these powers, x power 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8. All three powers we have added is equal to 128. So x, here we will take the common multiple. The least common multiple is 8. So 2 divides 8 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. And 4 divides 8 2. 2 times 1 is 2. And 8 divides 8 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1 is equal to 128. So in the next step, we can add these. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7 over 8 is equal to 128. So at this step, we will raise both sides of this equation to the power 8 over 7, the reciprocal of this power. 7 over 8, we will raise 8 by 7 is equal to 128 power 8 over 7. 8 over 7. So here 7 will goes with the 7 and 8 will go with the 8, and we will left with x is equal to 128. 28 is equal to power 8 over 7. Power 8 over 7. So we know that we can write 128 as 2 power 7. X is equal to 2 power 7 whole power 8 over 7. So in the next step, 7 will go with the 7 and x is equal to 2 power 8. So we know that 2 power 8 is equal to 256. 256. So it is the final value of x. The final value. It was the first method. Now I am going to use the second method. What we will do in the second method, I will write down the question first of all in the second method, and then I will start it. Square root x and square root x and square root x is equal to 128. So to remove this square, first square, we will take square on both sides. So this square root will go with the square. The first square root will go with the square, and we will left with x times square root x, and square root x is equal to 128 power 2. So in the next step, we will again take square root, square of both sides, square of both sides. So here we will take square of x and square of this thing. So x square times square root x and square root x power 2 is equal to 128. 2 times 2 is 4. So here we have x square times this square root will go with this square, and we will left with x times square root x is equal to 128 power 4. So in the next step, because here bases are same, we can add their powers. We can write 8 x power 3. We can write x power 3 times square root x is equal to 128 power 4. In the next step, we will take square on both sides, and here we will take square of x power 3 and square root of square root x. Square of square root x is equal to 128. 4 times 2 is 8. 128 power 8. So 3 times 2 is 6, x power 6 times square root will go with the square. We have x is equal to 128 power 8. So 6, we can add their powers. 6 plus 1 is 7 is equal to 128. X power 7 is equal to 128 power 8. So in the next step, we will take the power 1 over 7 is equal to 128 power 8 whole power 1 over 7. So on the both side, we have raised to power 1 over 7. 7 will go with the 7. We will get x is equal to 128 power 8 over 7. So in the next step, x is equal to, we know that to 128, we can write 2 power 7, power 8 over 7. This 7 will go with the 7. We will get x is equal to 2 power 8. So we know that x is equal to 2 power 8. 2 power 8 is equal to 256. 256, it is the final value of x. We have calculated from the two methods, we have calculated the value of x, which is 256. That's all about this question. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more solutions and videos like this. Till the next video, bye.